Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, how about you join me on a bike ride to work? Wow, what a beautiful day. You know, great time to ride my bike to work. Oh, safety first. Let me get my helmet on. Boy, that was a nice ride to work this morning on a beautiful day. Let me just set my helmet down. We've got the wall rider. We do a lot of these, especially in apartment buildings, condominium buildings, where people have a lot of bikes. And then we just simply take this, hang it up there. I'll go ahead and just put my helmet on here. Now, I didn't bring a padlock with me. I don't think I need one here. But I could just take it and loop it through and lock it here if I needed to. So we've got wall riders. Great for condominiums, apartment buildings. So that's all we got this week. We will see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt. Thank you.